Hello viewers, welcome to channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beautiful crochet content. Today's video is all about adorable crochet baby hair designs, cute, cozy and full of creativity. Let's get started. Let's start with the basic beanie style baby hair. Is a simple and most commonly used pattern. It usually begins with a magic ring or chain circle, then worked in double crochet or half double crochet rounds. You can keep it plain or add a small crochet flower bow or tiny ears for extra cuteness. Colors like baby pink, mint, sky blue, or lemon are perfect for newborns. Next is the ribbed baby head design. This one is textured and stretchy, made using front and back post stitches. It fits nicely and looks stylish too. You can add a cute pom pom on top or even a matching crochet button. Use soft acrylic yarn for warmth and comfort, especially in winter. Now let's talk about the animal themed hats, very popular for gifting and photo shoots. You can make bear hats, bunny hats, or even kitty hats by simple adding shaped eyes, ears, eyes, or noses with crochet epics. These hats are usually made with basic stitches, but the add ones make them look fun and playful. Use contrast color to highlight features like white with pink or gray with blue. Another beautiful design is the lacy baby hat, perfect for summer. This pattern uses open stitches like shell stitch, V stitch, or mesh stitch. These hats are light, breathable, and look very elegant. Decorate with a small bow, head, or flower on the side. Soft cotton is the light shade, works best for the style. So these were some of the cutest and most trending crochet baby hat designs. Each one is easy to make, looks adorable, and can be customized in your favorite colors. Let us know in the comments which design do you like the most, and if you want tutorials or pattern leaks, just mention. We will bring them for you in the next video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share with fellow crochet lovers. See you soon and happy crochet.